How to get gold.
How to get gold off anything, part 3.
This is what it looks like after 3 days in the solution. I will have to let the pen sit longer in the acid than I do the boards. That is with any acid used in any gold recovery process. This is what it looks like after 4 days in the solution. Now I can start noticing more gold flakes floating around. I made this circle out of my air pump hose and added release valves. This will create better agitation in my solution. This is what it looks like after 6 days in the solution. Look at that big piece of gold. I filtered out the jar that had the motherboards in it. Though a lot of gold came off, some is still sticking. Not stuck, just sticking. So I put those pieces back into the jar. But this time I tried 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide. This actually had a way better reaction. Definitely using these measurements next time. There is a whole bunch of ways to recover gold and you can find every way on my account. Now, let's wait 24 hours and these boards will be done.
1 second later.
This is the solution from the first run of the motherboards. The white powder is silver. The solution extracts it from the copper. You need to siphon off the solution into another jar, but keep it. We will be extracting the copper back from the solution. After you have siphoned off the solution, you will need to rinse and repeat the silver until water is clear. Follow for part 4 to see how and what to do next.